Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus paper planners. We'll explore the core differences between these two popular organizational methods. Digital tools like Notion offer incredible flexibility and powerful features, while traditional paper planners provide a tangible, distraction-free experience. We'll delve into aspects such as accessibility, customization options, and the overall cost involved, helping you decide which approach best suits your unique needs and workflow for effective planning and productivity. Notion truly shines with its digital advantages, offering extensive customization. You can build intricate databases, utilize countless templates, and link pages seamlessly, creating a highly personalized system. Its powerful search functions make information retrieval incredibly efficient, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, Notion enables effortless collaboration and sharing with team members, and with cloud synchronization, your plans are accessible from any device, anywhere, ensuring you're always connected to your organized life. Conversely, paper planners offer unique tangible benefits. The act of writing by hand is known to enhance memory retention and improve focus, providing a truly immersive planning session. They create a completely distraction-free environment, free from the constant pings of digital notifications. Crucially, paper planners require no battery life or internet connection, guaranteeing constant availability. For many, the satisfying tactile experience of physically turning pages and crossing off tasks is an irreplaceable part of their daily routine. Ultimately, choosing between Notion and a paper planner boils down to your personal workflow and preferences. Consider whether you prioritize the boundless flexibility and digital features of an application or the tangible, focused experience of a physical notebook. Many individuals discover that a hybrid approach, combining the strengths of both, works best for them. The most effective tool is the one you will consistently use and integrate into your daily habits to successfully achieve your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.